countries in a neighborhood and also served in Prime Minister's office. He assumed charge as Ambassador of India to the State of Qatar on 6th August 2020. He speaks Arabic, English, Hindi, and Punjabi language. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. The President of MMQ, Mr. Patil, my distinguished colleagues, presidents of the apex bodies, the wonderful friends, and those who have joined online for this wonderful cultural and food festival from Maharashtra being showcased here in Qatar. A warm greetings to all of you. I'm very happy and pleased to be with you on this fiesta being organized by Maharashtra Mandal today. This, in a certain way, marks a new beginning, because we have seen how over the past year and a half, we have gone through one of the most turbulent, difficult times which humanity has seen. I'm confident that this fiesta being organized by Maharashtra Mandal in a way brings about, as it comes in September, as we know, change of seasons with the summer, onset of autumn, and then winters. This brings in a new energy, new change in our lives, moving away from what we have been over the past year and a half. I'm very happy. I have been talking about celebrating our states. Here in Qatar, we have very rich, vibrant, very active Indian diaspora, Indian community members who come from all over India, from different states in India, and represent a very rich diversity of India. So I'm very happy and pleased that Maharashtra Mandal has taken the lead to organize such event to celebrate our states, starting with Maharashtra. I'm sure the lead which Maharashtra Mandal has taken would enthuse more of others, associated organizations coming from different parts of India, and to organize similar cultural and represent our states and celebrate our diversity from different parts of the country. Certainly, Maharashtra has so much to offer. We just heard, as our wonderful compeers mentioned, about in Maharashtra's rich contribution to India's freedom struggle as we celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav 75th anniversary, 75 years of celebrating India's independence. And Maharashtra has been a backbone, a very important part of this freedom struggle, with great freedom fighters over the years who have come from Maharashtra and participated in our Azadi Ke. And today we do remember them and bow before them for their immense contribution, so that today we are in a position to celebrate 75 years of our independence. Maharashtra has been also the spearhead of our, as we say, economic powerhouse of the country. Today, if India is among the top 5 economies globally and a rising economy, emerging economy, I think a great part of it comes from state of Maharashtra, when it comes from production, services, what not. Amchi, Mumbai is well known as the commercial capital of India. So I think nothing better that describes about it. And I know what Maharashtra Mandal President mentioned, Mr. Patil, about how our community here in Qatar has been very active over the past year in coming to support of each other during the pandemic times, ensuring everybody has access to essentials, nobody went with difficulty, facilitating repatriation, safe back to home, and also more recently, when we had a very difficult second wave, national wave in India, how the community has come together, and as Mr. Patil mentioned, also Maharashtra Mandal and members of the Maharashtra community here in Qatar generously contributed in support of extending support, essential oxygen and other medical supplies back to your own brothers and sisters in India. I think it's very commendable. It very clearly shows that wherever you can take Indian out of India, but you cannot take India out of their hearts. India remains very much, very connected out there. So I think I commend each and every member of the Indian community once again for their continuing work, for support, in support of their motherland, as also Maharashtra Mandal and all the members of the Maharashtra Mandal for being torchbearers themselves in their own right in these activities of philanthropy. And as Mr. Patil said, that we are here starting with this fiesta. We are looking forward to a wonderful cultural year ahead in terms of ICC had launched from 15th earlier in March, the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and a wonderful, in this very room, in this very stage, we have witnessed a great diversity which was brought together. And I'm sure with now the state celebrations starting here in Qatar with Maharashtra, and we will have a wonderful cultural fiesta moving ahead. I can see a lot of you a little late today, and the food festival has been put out, and I'm sure, actually I would not want to stand more in between you and the food festival. The rich cuisines, the diversity of the Indian food coming from Maharashtra, which has been presented today to all of you. Please enjoy yourself. I thank Maharashtra Mandal once again and all of you, and congratulate all of you on this occasion. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. We are truly honored by your enlightening word. Always we are inspired with your words and will definitely inculcate your advice